Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very helpful hack for you for how to cut lots of macrame cords very quickly. If you don't want to spend a ton of time cutting cords that are all the same length, then this trick is for you. So stay tuned, and let's get started. Here are a few tools that you will need: a couple of clamps, a measuring tape, and some scissors. First, you need to know how long your cords should be. Are you folding each piece in half, like if you want to attach it to a dowel, or do you need each cord as a single strand? If you are folding your cord, first measure how long the cord will be when folded. We will use the same distance to space our clamps apart. If you need a single strand, then the distance between your clamps is going to be half of that. Next, attach the clamps to a flat, even surface. Now take your cord and tie it to one of the clamps. Make sure to not leave a very long tail, as you will be trimming it off anyways. Now wrap the cord in between two clamps. Wrap as much as you can, but don't put in too many layers, as it can be hard to cut. Now cut through the cord in any place. Make sure to not cut the cord from both sides, just one side. Otherwise, your cord will be shorter than expected. Now you have a bunch of cords in the matter of a few minutes. You can repeat this process as much as you need to. Hope this little trick was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to click a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.